So by going to that more flexible, more powerful 20-watt fiber laser, that meant that we needed to add a lot more features into the device and make it easy for everybody to be able to use it. So we've got a complete touchscreen interface here that allows you to get all of the power that we're giving you with that new fiber laser. So for example, we've got some things I'd like to point out. This is the 200 micron rolling spot. We can do dynamic, random, we can change, or even CW, we can change which mode we want to be in order to get the coverage that we're looking for and the amount of energy that we're looking for. So if we wanted to do something very low, like clear and brilliant, we'd be down at the 1, 2, or 3 millijoule level. If we wanted to do something similar to the Fraxel Dual, we would be using 10 and above in general pigment removal circumstances. But the unique feature that you cannot do with any other machine is the static mode. And in the static mode, we have 3 different densities that we can select to remove those spot pigmented lesions. Again, very simple, very intuitive. It's again, just like the LaserMD Pro, this is designed for speed and simplicity with the greatest amount of flexibility built into a 1927 nanometer laser ever.